back to the channel, my friends. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Chris. You're watching the Snow Boss, and now it is freaking snowing. Let's get into it. So, I don't know if I showed this in like 2 videos ago, but this plow on this loader, we ended up having a bad solenoid, so then you can't move the plow, so then it's stuck. So, got a new solenoid here, and put it on, and hopefully that works. Solenoids are very simple. Just got to unscrew this screw here. Pop it off like so, cut off the zip ties, take this, follow it back to this connection, pop this off then, like so, put the new one on, make sure it snaps in there. Do a little dielectric grease. So we don't have any corrosion problems. Screw it back in. Okay, not sure why that's not screwing all the way in. Alright, re-zip tie everything so it's nice. Turn it on, it lights up. Lights up, that's good. See, lights up. And now works just fine. Quick fix, nothing major. It happens. All right, on to the next project. All right, so here we are, Sunday, January, whatever, 19th. Anyway, it is snowing good now. That's good 1 inch per hour rates for sure. Approaching already 1 inch on the ground. Calling for 4 to 8 as a total. Don't know if we'll get there, but if we can get some 1 and 2 inch an hour rates, we'll be good. Crews are here. When I had everybody come in, unfortunately we had a lull in the storm and the pavement was still black. Well, the pavement is not black anymore. We are getting some coverage, so we will get these loaders fired up shortly, and we will get the crews plowing some real snow. One of the things that's sort of annoying with all these warehouses, so I got a few of them where they lock all their gates because it's a Sunday and no one's here. And I have keys to all of them, and now I have to go around all over the place and unlock all the gates. But there you go, there's another one. Getting ready to go. right, guys, so we got at least 4 inches down now. So this is the new 906 with the Metal Plus 83013. And with no, we got Nokians on it. I put Nokians on it. And I'm pretty sure he's gonna go down here and then make a U-turn. With Nokians, no problem making turns. Not a problem making that turn. You gotta have the tires, man. So I know you guys are probably wondering, oh, you're putting snow to a light pole. That's because these idiots, engineers designed this parking lot so it's a V. V comes down high from the building, comes high down from over there, and meets right in this middle. And where do you think they put the drains? There's a drain here. There is no drain on that side of the island, but on the other side of the island is the other drain and a light pole. So we don't really have much elsewhere to put it. We are okay from the client to do it. That's just the way it is sometimes. You don't always have perfect situation, right? So that clean my backup camera because I can't see a darn thing. All right. Woo! It is coming. Holy moly! We haven't had snow like this in a long, long time. That's what we do. Except I'm very snowy now doing the video. That's why I like to hide in my truck. All right. Pile of snow. I don't care what anybody says. These machines definitely have a lot of power. They push a lot of snow. All right, guys, we got pretty much everything wrapped up. Our problem now is that, which you probably can't see, but the drifting coming off the buildings. Has now recovered everything against the dock here. So, probably gonna let it go for a while. Got a few hours before these places open, but the wind is gonna keep going, so it's just gonna be one of those things. I think I'm gonna end that one here, guys. If you like what you see, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next snowstorm.